Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Woman Arrested After Assaulting Teen at Walmart by Crime on Body Cam. So this black woman thought it would be a great idea to assault a white teenager, a white kid. I don't know why you would do this. Why would you assault any kid, black, Hispanic, whatever the nationality or the ethnicity? This will never be okay in no matter who it is, right? But it seems like this kid has more reserve than the actual lady that's supposed to be a grown-up.
What's your name, boss?
Max McDonald.
Do you have ID or anything on you? Do you need an ambulance or anything?
No, I do got coming out of my ear. She grabbed me by the head and hit me like 5 or 6 times while I was in the car. I don't know where exactly, you know, people said my face.
I got you.
I'm alright though. Did you want to see the video that the bystanders just sent me? There was somebody that pulled up like 2 minutes after. They were Mexican folk. They didn't speak very good English, but they recorded pretty much the whole thing.
Is this your current address?
No.
Take care of it.
Alright, and what's your phone number?
Video or anything?
Yeah, I mean, whatever video that you have available or whatever.
Go ahead and get it.
Yeah, if you can. Alright, so
Well, they got a video? Yo, ass going to jail.
what's going on today?
So I had gone to Walmart and I came out and I was just about to back up and I looked over and there's a cart sitting right next to my door now, so I can't back up. I turn around and I look around and she's parked right next to me. Her car door is closing at that time, so I assume that she left her cart there. So I roll my window down and I go, "Did you just leave your cart like right next to my car so I can't back out?" She goes, "Yeah, I did." And I was like, "What the fuck is wrong with you?" And I started, I called her broke. I was like, "Move your fucking cart, you're broke as hell. Like, what are you doing?" And she's like, "No, I'm not gonna move my fucking cart." She started backing up, so I backed up as well because I'm gonna go, you know, like.
So you guys are like next to each other like this?
We're literally right next to each other.
Okay.
She starts backing up, I back up too because I'm
Why would you even do that shit, though?
go get out of here. Well, at this point, that's when the
I would have called her broke, too. You doing shit like that?
video starts. She backs up, I back up in front of her, and then she gets out of her car, comes to my driver's side. I think I'm gonna roll my window down and like yell at her like, "Hey, move your fucking car, just in my way," you know what I'm saying? Well, she grabs me, she starts throwing her finger in my face, is pointing me, is actually touching my nose. So I knew she was about to get hands. She grabbed me by the hair after that and started punching me, and it's on video.
This is while you're in
Assault.
the car?
While I'm in the car. So I try to drive forward a little bit, but actually I can't see because she's grabbing my hair and punching me. And, you know, she's hanging on my car, hanging on me while I'm trying to drive forward because we were right there. You know, I was just in the parking spot right here, and I drove forward to here, you know,
Okay.
while she was hanging on, punching me.
You said you got video?
Yeah, somebody recorded the video of that happening. Well, then,
I don't think I would want to see a video of me getting my ass whooped.
you know, I grabbed her. She had a name tag on, so I reached out and I grabbed her name tag off of her because I wanted her name, you know. I seen her name tag on her, and then I got out and I punched her window, which wasn't very smart of me to do, you know what I'm saying? But that was after I got hit in the face for multiple occasions.
This
Oh,
is from a
shit.
bystander?
Yep.
Let's see the video.
There was a Mexican lady, and there she pulled out. I backed up too. I'm pointing at her to move the car. She starts yelling at me. She grabs me and starts hitting me. I start trying to drive away, get out the way. She comes back and hits me.
So is this the cart you guys are talking about?
Yes. Literally sitting right next to me.
Okay.
If I would have backed out, it would have hit my car. You know, if I would have like turned and backed out instead of just backing out straight,
Okay.
it would have.
So after she's hitting you, you try to drive off, you stop, and then is that when you get out and punch her window?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What window did you punch?
It's right there. It's broken.
Okay.
And then she actually ran up on me again and was hitting me again, and I pushed her off of me, and you know, that's when more people came out here and we split up type shit.
Okay. So you don't want any medical attention or anything?
I
No.
don't need any medical attention.
Okay.
I would like to just press charges, me personally.
Are you?
I'm crazily blown, you know what I'm saying? Like, I told her to move her shopping cart and she started punching me in the face. Like,
Okay.
I understand, you know, that I backed up it. Well, like, you know,
Okay.
what the f- I'm kind of mind boggled, you know? It doesn't make sense to, I don't know. It's crazy to me. That's where I'm at.
All right. So, what do you want done? Are you wanting to press charges or what? Because I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's up to you. But since there's damage on her
I was just
window,
about
so
to say,
she's
I know.
probably gonna press charges on you too for her window.
Here's some fucked up shit too, bro. I'm on court supervision right now because I just got into a motorcycle accident. And that gave me court supervision for it. I literally just got put on that shit. Like, I haven't been in no trouble the rest of my life. Just funny as hell. Bad circumstances, you know. But I would pay to press charges or whatever because that's the only reason, you know, I got punched in my face multiple times.
No, I mean that's up to you. What do you want to do?
What can I do? Can I press charges on it? But I know I did damage to her vehicle, you know.
I mean,
out of rage, I was mad as hell.
I mean, it's on video. I mean, you got injuries, and it's on video. It's just punching
blood
you.
pouring out of my ear.
So,
How does all of that work?
what do you mean?
Pressing charges.
So, I mean, if you want to press charges, then she'd be arrested, and then obviously I'd have to read her right. I haven't talked to her at all. I don't know what her story is, so I'd have to read her rights, see if she's wanting to talk, tell me what she's got to say.
No, for sure. Yeah, I mean, I would like to press charges. She grabbed me by my hair and started punching me multiple times, you know, like.
So you do want to press charges?
Over a cart. Yeah, if I can.
Okay.
I got hit multiple. I got blood coming out of my ear.
Okay.
So I have a 4-year-old in the car. You don't keep blocking nobody in. So I get out my car and I go to yell at him. He laughing, doing all this, so I'm doing all this back. So then he doing too much. So yes, I did get to hitting him because you doing too much. So then after that, I went to walking back
So it was worth risking your freedom for this shit.
to my car. He followed me to my car. He punching the window. You too close to my son. My son in his car. So yes, I did get to hit him because you don't come to nobody's car. You don't even know what I got going on.
You just walked up to his car and started punching him.
That car was not blocked. Yeah, because he punched him out. Yeah, I hit him right there because.
So, hey, I'm going to stop you right. Can you hand the kid off to, is she with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now you're going to be placed under arrest for aggravated battery.
Dumb as hell.
My keys.
Here, we'll get it. We'll get it in a second.
Yeah.
And then you gonna press charges on his
I
ass,
am,
too,
because it's
for
childish.
busting
I
your
can watch
lip.
the cameras and all that. He kept blocking me in. You do not block nobody in.
Well, everything's on video.
I shouldn't have. But why did you block me in? Like, that's
Doesn't matter.
childish.
You know he white. You know they gonna get away.
Oh God.
Let me double check.
Let me double check with him. No, I don't think so. I don't want to tie him up on it. Hold on.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes, I do.
What do you have?
I got scissors over here, and I don't know what I got over here.
Mind if I grab it?
Yeah,
Well, is this like your ID or something?
I don't. Yeah, I'm for work.
Okay.
We work at.
Like you give a.
This is so childish. All because he blocking me in. Forget. This is just too much. The whole fucking birthday. This is so petty. Like, this is.
The door of silence.
What's going on?
All right. So basically, they were parked next to each other. He gets into his car. There's a cart next to his car. She's like gets to her car and he's like, "Hey, did you leave your cart here?" And she said, "Whatever." And then she started back out. And he backed out, and they both kind of stopped. Then she come running up to his driver's side window. They start exchanging words, and then she grabs him and just starts wailing on him. He's got injuries all over his face. He's got blood pouring out of his ear.
Security lady over there, she works for Walmart.
I didn't talk to her. I don't know what she's doing. So, but the loss prevention dude's inside trying to see if there's video.
I can go check.
There's a bystander that recorded everything on their cell phone and sent it to him. So that's, you know,
Where's the bystander right now?
I had no idea. Left.
You got a example here?
Yeah.
I need to talk to
Here.
her. What? So what do you want me to do?
Just talk to her in a second. Let's finish this real quick. We'll give you a call. Okay?
So for right now, I mean, if you want to just take photos of him.
I'm gonna throw this in there.
Oh.
Because I'm pretty sure she pressing charges on him.
You see that
Okay.
chick
Well,
there?
I'll talk to her about it.
Oh, she pressing charges when he going to jail too.
He ain't going right now. He about to go to the ambulance.
He going to jail, he going to jail. Everybody going to jail.
Easy song back there.
It is so bogus, man. It is so bogus.
Do you have a middle name?
Yeah.
Say M.
Shit is so
Right. Do you have a good phone number, Catrice?
What?
Do you have a good phone number?
Hogan Smith.
15 coaches that and Maria, a better location.
Shit is bogus.
Or in front of Walmart, in front of Subway. I don't know what row number. Josio. 10.9 Subway.
Shit is so bogus, man.
All right. I'm gonna read you your Miranda rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Do you understand your rights?
This shit is so bogus. Shit is bogus.
Hey, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Do you
Yes,
understand?
yes, I hear you. I hear you.
Okay. Well, I
What
need
you getting mad at him for?
My
answer
son's
me.
birthday. This is bogus.
Okay, having your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
This shit is so bogus.
Having your rights in mind, do you wish to
What do you
talk to
want
me?
to talk about? I
I-
tried to. I called y'all. I tried.
I need a
to
yes or no. Do you want to
I
talk?
don't care. I don't care. It don't matter.
That doesn't answer my
It
question.
don't matter. I don't care.
Okay, so you don't want to talk? All right, well, you're being charged with aggravated battery, okay? I got your mom's number written down here for you.
That lady big as hell. Unless she's just short.
She was charged with
Do you see how big that woman was? She stood over the car.
aggravated assault. Do you think she needs to address and fix her anger issues?
She most certainly does.
Because this situation was not that serious for her to start attacking him.
Hell no.
Let us know in the comments.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it.